Today, on behalf of the Congress Party, we are standing here in the middle of a flood-hit field in the district of West Godavari. Tadepalligudam is the name of the constituency. Congress Party stands here in the middle of the field. We are standing here waist deep into the waters. We are standing here to bring to the notice of the nation that Andhra Pradesh is badly suffering from the flood losses from the flood. So we demand that the BJP government, who has given funds to the Bihar for flood relief, has not considered the claims of Andhra Pradesh. Why this partiality is our question. This flood here in this particular village is a man-made flood. We say this because the last government, the YCP government in Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy being the chief minister, did not give any funds at all for the maintenance of any projects, not even for clearing the debris. Thereby this flood has occurred here. And now currently the chief minister is Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. We are asking the chief minister to take note of this, that he immediately take measures to not only compensate the farmers here, but also to take measures to repair the canals and to clear the debris, so this does not repeat itself. And also BJP has to answer why they did not give us any flood relief to Andhra Pradesh. While we are demanding answers from them, we are also demanding Mr. Chandrababu Naidu to pay immediate attention to these farmers here. They have indeed suffered enough. Please pay the compensation and make sure these canals are repaired and this does not repeat again. My question here to Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy also is straight and simple. We are asking him, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy is holding a dharna in Delhi because one of his cadre was murdered. My question is, you are holding a dharna for one of the cadres that was murdered, which is not even a political murder. Belonging to the same party, they had differences. While being in the same party, they went to the extent of even attacking each other's homes and families. Now after the murder, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy claims that this is a political murder and he is holding a dharna in Delhi. My question to Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy is, why did you not hold a dharna for special status? Why did you not hold a dharna the 5 years that you were chief minister? Why did you not hold a dharna for Polavaram? Why did you not hold a dharna when the BJP was threatening to privatize Vizag Steel? Why did you not hold a dharna? Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy did not hold any dharna for any reason at all against the BJP in Delhi. Now because he wants attention, he is politicizing a matter. My question is, you are craving to be the leader of opposition. The people did not give the mandate that you should be made the leader of opposition, but Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy went to the court saying that he wants to be the leader of opposition. Then doesn't it behoove Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy to behave like the leader of opposition? While Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is wanting to be the leader of opposition, it is his job, in fact, to hold protests for people here, like while we, as usual, have taken the role of opposition in Andhra Pradesh. My question is, you are wanting to be the leader of opposition in the assembly, then how come while the assembly session is going on, you are not in the assembly? Isn't it your duty to question the bills raised in the assembly? Is it not your duty, your MLA's duty, to discuss upon them and to even fight for them if necessary? Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy has to answer all of these.